Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine. All of you are happy at home, enjoying. Now I'm here with the chapter 8. The name of the chapter is Who Saved a Well, right? Who saved a well? You can understand that a well is there and it was saved by someone. That's why it's we saved a well, right? We'll come to know who saved. We saved a well, it's okay, but who saved will come to know afterwards, right? See, here I kept a well, and that children, they are trying to do something. Some they are putting clothes on it, and some they are pouring water also. So now we'll come to know what happened to the well. It was a beautiful moment in Telvata, a fisherman's coast of Sri Lanka. School children from the neighboring town Hikkaduwa were enjoying their weekend there. So school children, they came along with teachers and they were enjoying over there. Their teachers and a few parents played with the children. All they were enjoying, and they were missing that time what they passed at the sea beach. All love to make castle out of sand, so they are also enjoying. Nihisha said to her teacher, Miss Sanuti. Yes, the teacher smiled, dusting off sand from her clothes. Okay, so they all were remembering that all they had that period in life. Whenever they went there, they all enjoyed making castle out of sand. Just they were remembering, and here the children were also playing. See how they were playing when they got a well. Okay, they got a well at the beach, and they all are trying to do something. What they were doing will come to know. Okay, when they all were playing, school children and teachers and few parents were also there, they were enjoying. Just then a wave swept up as they were playing near the sea beach. So big wave came and swept up. It broke a little away from the sand castle. It broke a little away from the sand castle. Whichever sand castles they were preparing, it's just little away. But the water ran up to it. Water ran up to it. Above the castle, water came up. Nihisha, the tide is coming in. So teacher, she is calling, Nihisha, come here. The wave is coming, tide is coming. So just take your space, move towards a safe place. Remember, there was no water beyond those black rocks when we started making our castle at 10. See, they were trying to remind them that there was no wave that near the black rocks when they started making our castle, means they started their castle to play and enjoy. Miss Suniti said, come, let us walk on the beach. Now she called them, let us walk on the beach. As they came to enjoy, so they want to visit all the places around that sea beach, near the sea beach, all the places. Yes, we'll look for shells. So now it's very interesting to find shells at the beach. Okay, so most of us, we like to collect shells whenever we visit a sea beach. So they also tried to and started collecting that shells also. But castle we can make once again in the evening. Castle we can make it once again in the evening, but thing is that we cannot collect shells right now. This is the time to collect shells before our tide comes. Okay, next, the Nishida, a little ahead of our teacher, flip, 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 they both heard a strange sound. It is coming from behind those tall crooked rocks. So when they were walking through the beach, when they were walking, and they heard a sound, flip, flip, flip. Come, look, the teacher said. Hurry, Nihisha ran to keep pace. Just uh, come fast and we'll see what is there. Why sound is coming, flip, flip, flip. Oh dear, a little whale calf is stuck in the rocks. So they went there and they saw there was a little whale calf stuck in the rock. Then what happened? She must have got trapped last night when the tide went out. So when tide is there, you know, the water, it comes to the beach, and then when it's gone, so all these things and water also went back, and that time maybe with the water the whale has come or whale came, and now at the time of when that tide was not there, water went back into the sea, and that time maybe the whale stuck over here. So the calf was a big as an elephant rock there. So the elephant was just like an elephant. They saw, oh my god, it's so big. The wave fell on the beach and dissolved into foam. Sipped jumped forward lightly by hopping on each foot. So maybe it was not able to went back into the water. So because of that, it was there and trying to come out from that rock, and with the and making sound, flip, flip, flip. The sun shone on its, and then it becomes hot. No, that sun, as the sun is high up in the sky, we must save her. So all they tried to save that whale. The teacher said as she ran to wet her shawl in the sea. Get help. Ahimsa ran down the beach waving her red scarf, shouting, a baby whale is trapped into the rock. Help, help, help. So all they were busy to help the whale, because it is an water animal, no? So without water it's very difficult to survive. So that's why they thought they were playing, as the teacher was also there, they were trying to save the whale by pouring water on it, and some wet clothes putting on it. Okay, so all they tried to help it. The teachers gathered the children and rushed to the spot. So all they tried to collect clothes from the bus, whichever clothes were available over there, and all they took it there and get it wet, and then all they covered the whale with the wet clothes. Okay, and though whichever pots were available with them, all they filled with water, and they poured on the well to make it wet. Okay, the children fetched mugs, buckets, spare tire, bed sheets, anything they could find in the bus. So whichever things were available in the bus and which can hold water, all they brought from there, and they all filled with water and pour it on the well. Then they ran back to the calf and then threw the water over it. So after filling that buckets and mugs and whichever things which can contain water, all they brought, and they started pouring on the well. Don't cover the blowhole and the fin. So they know that that is the breathing part, from which part whale breathe in and breathe out. So teacher said don't cover that part, breathe hole part and the fin, don't cover it. The whale needs to breathe. Miss Suniti shouted to the children to cover the calf with wet clothes. So as much as possible, just wet your clothes, dip into the sea and just get it wet, and then cover the whale. 2 hours went by. The tide filled the pit with the water. Everyone was tired, but nobody stopped pouring water. Please level, please help. Navisha told the whale, and the water reached higher. The whale lifted its well. So now after 2 hours, the water started coming towards the beach. Till now they all were busy to wet the well by pouring water or by covering with that wet clothes. Okay, the water reached higher, the whale lifted its flux. Now they saw that it started moving. Okay, and started with the fin, it started moving and making sound with flip 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 like that. It down, thrush, hurry, hurrah. So now the children were very happy at the tide. Because of tide, water came again towards the sea beach, and then that whale also started moving, and these way children were also very happy. Sorry. Scooped more water, and they started pouring more water so that it can move very smoothly into the water. Soon the level of water from the sea grew so high that the children moved to the shore. So now the water level was so high, and because of that children went to the seashore to a safer place. You can, they chanted. The whale calf released a big spring of water from her blowhole. So you know that it has blowhole, and it can throw or blow water like spring, no, fountain like. It can see, you can see she will leave now. It's free from that dry place, free from that rock area. So now it can move. All they shouted. The children cheered. All they were very happy because of them only the whale again it will go back into the water. So the calf twisted and turned as the tide lifted her above the rocks. Her flippers moved smartly. The tail beat the water. Thrash, the whale went into the water. So this much only. Hope you enjoyed, and this is the way to save or help if something is in trouble. So that big whale, it was stuck near the rock, and the children and teachers, they helped to allow it to into the water. Okay, because it is a water animal only, so it should be in water only. Okay, bye, take care, thank you so much.